280 Sharath, 256 Soumika, 257 Chandana, 240 Aman, 259 Santosh Kumar. Next our project is experiment. Here we are using the input source as the solar panel, and from here the output is the 6 volts, and from this we are giving to the boost converter. The working of the boost converter is to step up the voltage. Suppose here we are getting the 3 volts, means here from the boost converter we are getting the 30 volts. Next, Aman will continue.
Coming to the accident prevention system. Battery, first of all the battery, it is a lead acid battery and it contains 12 volts. And next the components of accident prevention system are the LDR, an NPN transistor, IC 555 timer, potentiometer, capacitor and 2 resistors.
Okay. So here the working of this accident prevention system. When in forest areas we use the solar panel, it is 6 volts and maximum of solar panel it is 8.5 volts. From this we take the input as power source and it gives to the boost converter. It boosts up the 6 here it comes the 3 volts as input and it boosts up to 13 volts, and the battery is 12 volts lead acid batteries, and the accident prevention system kit is this one. So whenever a vehicle passes like this, when the beam light passes through this LDR, which will sense the light, and the LED indicators will turn on, which indicates the road edges of the road to avoid the accidents. And here we use these components to make this kit, and the output will look like this. So after vehicle passes through this, after a 10 seconds delay, these LEDs will turn off.
Okay.
Thank you.
Coming to the ratings of this solar panel, it's 6 volts. Boost converter is input 3 volts and output is 13 volts. And battery is a lead acid battery, 12 volts, 4 into 3, 4 means individual battery 4 volts. And capacitor 33 microfarads, potentiometer 50 kilo ohms, resistor 220 kilo ohms. This is 1 kilo ohm, and coming to this 4, they are 1 kilo ohms. NPN transistor, IC 355 timer, and LEDs.
System is mainly used for design for the forest and hill areas like terrains. So where there is no electricity, we are using a solar as emerging power source, which is eco-friendly. And here the system is mainly to avoid the road edge accidents. And here the boost converter, we are using we can step up to 35 volts as maximum. Here is 3 volts and output can be 13 volts. And we are using lead acid batteries, which is used for constant voltage charging. And this is the accident prevention kit we can place at the road edges, and this is the kit we are designed for to avoid.